at you. She thinks you're dust. Oh, what's that, honey? Okay.
The soap.
The salt. It's magic.
Magic.
Sarap.
Magic syrup.
Done. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Monday everyone, and you may notice na iba yung ating background today. So it's very early in the morning guys. Actually, ang ating Ate Paris ay tulog pa. Pero andito na ang ating baby girl. Hindi ko muna i-open guys ha, kasi baka magising ba. Ayan. So mga ano na ngayon guys, malapit nang mag 9 o'clock. Kaninang umaga, nilakad ni Daddy Mike si baby Celine natin para makapaghilamos si mami nyo at makapagbihis na din before siya mag-start ng work. So pagka-uwi nila, then ako na naman yung maglalakad kay baby Celine. So ang ating Ate Paris ay tulog pa. So iniwan ko na lang muna doon. So si daddy niya muna yung mag-aalaga sa kanya. So kagabi pala guys, maaga ako nagising. Well, actually, since, anong oras pa ba yun? 4 o'clock? Yeah, 4 o'clock gising na si mami niyo. Kasi ang ating baby girl ay, yun, gusto nga magpakarga guys. Gusto niyang hinahawakan siya palagi. And then, yeah, umiiyak siya guys. Pero pag hinawakan mo naman siya, tapos isayaw-sayaw mo siya, okay siya. So you know that there's no problem, right? Like, gusto lang niya talagang, parang i-cuddle siya, tapos i-sway-sway, ganun. So, yun yung nangyari. So, maganda naman yung tulog namin from last night until 4 o'clock kaninang umaga lang talaga. So, since 4 o'clock, gising si mami nyo. At since sobrang kasi nakakangalay kasi ng diba guys, nakakangalay ng dito braso kapag palagi mong isayaw, and then for how many hours. So alam niyo yung ginawa ko, gumawa ako ng duyan. Yes, very old school, no? Pilipinong-Pilipino. Kasi there's no harm in trying, diba? Kay Ate Paris before, never kong ginawa yan. Kasi, as mentioned, always talaga ako minimension, walang naging problema sa tulog ni Ate Paris. Very settled si Ate Paris na pagka-baby. Ito siya, parang nag-a-adjust pa siya dito sa outside world. And, yes, so gumawa ako ng duyan. She slept there, actually. Pero, yun na nga lang. Kasi, parang minadali ko yung paggawa ko ng duyan. So, hindi siya masyadong pulido talaga yung paggagawa. Kaya, kahit na nakatulog si si baby Celine sa duyan, gising pa rin ako. Like, tinititigan ko lang siya kasi natatakot ako baka tumagilid siya or whatever, diba? Pero at least, hindi ngalay ang ating kamay kasi nasa duyan siya. And even though nasa duyan siya, still palagi pa rin siyang moving pa rin. Kaya, yun, hinayaan ko na lang siya sa duyan, pero nakatingin ako sa kanya palagi. So, hindi rin nakatulog si mami niyo. So, nung nilakad ni Daddy Mike si baby Celine, akala niya matutulog ako. Pero hindi na talaga ako nakakatulog guys kapag once I'm out of the bed, wala na. Hindi na talaga ako makakabalik pagtulog. So, ayun, naghilamos na lang ako, nag-ready. And then, since kailangan ko namang pumunta ng post office kasi may kailangan akong ipadala, and sabi ko, kasi pinadedi ko ang ating baby girl before kami umalis. Before sila umalis si Daddy Mike. So now, I'm trying to do the 3-hourly na feeding. So that was 8 o'clock. So 11 o'clock, I am planning to do another breastfeeding. So hopefully mag-sleep siya until then. And, anong oras pa naman ngayon? 9 na siguro ngayon. So, tagal-tagal pa yun. Hopefully, hindi siya mag-alimusong ba. Pero warm naman siya dyan. I made sure na maganda yung pagkalagay ng kanyang blanket para hindi siya magising ng mabilis. Kasi 'di ba yung mga babies nag-startle sila kapag makarinig sila ng mga noise, parang gumaganon sila, nasa shock sila, ganun. So, kaya nagigising nila yung sarili nila. So, pag naswallow sila ng mabuti, at least parang safe sila doon sa sa swado. Ang dilim na pala natin, uy. Ang dilim na pala. Ayan. So, hayaan nyo na, ang aking mata ay sobrang sleepy. But, sabi ni Daddy Mike, do you wanna just keep, Celine, walking? Kasi maganda daw yung araw. And, hindi siya masyadong mahangin. Kaya nakaganito lang ako. Naka-jeans, shoes. Ayan. Naku. Alam niyo, hindi talaga madali maging nanay, no? Maging tatay din. Hindi naman talaga madali maging parents. And alam niyo, kahit na hindi madali, it's worth it naman. Like, it gives me joy pag napapatahan ko yung anak ko. And kahit na mahirap, ganun. Pero lahat gagawin mo para sa anak mo, 'di ba? Kahit na minsan nakakaiyak na minsan, guys. Kasi pag napi-feel mo na parang ang tawag dito, what am I doing wrong? Ganun, parang I'm too harsh on myself, which I shouldn't be doing that kasi it's not good. It's not good for me. And yeah, should be happy all the time para relax lang ang mind and ang body. But yeah, we'll check her. We'll see. Ayan. Hindi mag-focus. Ayan. Hayaan na muna natin. Comfortable. Ganda ng mga bulaklak. Oh. Maganda rin naman talagang maglakad-lakad kasi fresh air. Parang nakikleanse yung utak mo. Kahit walang tulog. Exercise for more. Ay, nakaka-relax din, oh. May mga ibon. Nahuli ng mga ibon.
A few moments later.
Kakauwi lang namin ni Baby Celine at ito yung ito yung nagtabo. Anong Tagalog na nagtabo, guys? Sumalubong. Ito yung sumalubong. Hala, nak, where's your shoes, nak? Princess, come here. Okay, come to mommy. Oh, George, did you just wake up pa ba? Oh my God, anong oras na, guys? It's nearly 10:30. It's talaga siya, tulog mantika tong batang to ba? Hala, nak, you're wearing your pajamas. Come on. Alang buhok, oh. Murag, kuan. Come to mommy, please. Hi. Hello, wakwak ko.
Where is Ben?
We went for a walk, Baby Celine, because she was crying.
What's that in the basket?
Yeah, did you have a good sleep?
Yeah.
Yes, say good morning, Tita Tito.
Good morning, Tita and Tito.
Okay.
What's in there?
Have a look. Baby Celine is moving now. Got that for you.
What's this?
Hmm?
What's this?
Show me. Let's go back because baby Celine is making layhok. Oh my god, Paris. You had a big sleep?
That's a good way big one.
Alam niyo guys kung bakit hanggang 10 o'clock tong tulog niya. Kasi nagising siya kanina nung gumawa nga ako ng duyan. Mga 4:30. 5. Ganon. Tapos yung daddy niya na natutulog sa sala, pumasok. Tapos kinadol siya. O, nakatulog ulit.
Can you open the door?
Of course, my love.
But
Oh, the door is open na.
it ends.
Hmm?
That's
Okay,
one.
just run. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Run, careful. Go, go.
One.
It's malala. Tulo na kabukay. Tapos ito siya, June na to siya for feed. Kailangan ko na rin mag-ano, kasi gusto kong magpunta ng toilet. Ay! Nahayagan na naman. Hilak na po ni Karan. Yan niyo, oh. Tatangtang na yung kalo. Hi, Daddy. Can you just carry the bassinet pot? I need to go to the toilet really badly.
Why don't we just bring it up?
Huh?
Let's bring
let's
it
do
up because we gotta bring it up anyway.
Tulog pa rin siya. She'll wake up very soon because she needs feed. Here's the little girl. Here's the little girl. Kakalagay ko lang sa kanya sa bassinet. Kakadede lang ng ating baby at sinange ko ang kanyang napi. Kaya medyo paano-ano siya. Mag-riot na po na siya karon. Guys, siya big girl naman katong baby guys. Oh. Big girl naman ko tita and tito. No? Big girl naman na ang among baby Celine. Here, hi. Hello. What's going on? Did you go for a long walk this morning? Did you go for a long walk this morning?
My Corella has
Andiyan yung isa, oh. Nagbabasa ng libro.
Corella's hair from the book.
Yeah, your hair is gonna be like that when you don't eat your fruits.
Ma, I eat my fruit.
Really?
It's I ate one apple.
Just one? You still have more here, oh. Have some more, or else, like, Gorilla's hair is black and white, and your hair is gonna be like that.
Okay.
Good girl. See, your hair is beautiful, brown and shiny. Because you're eating your fruit. See, you've got strawberry on your jams too. And Daddy Mark is working. Oh, shush. Okay. Ayan. Magbabath tayo very soon. Na? We're gonna have a bath soon, anak. Oh, boom, 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 boom.
Babe.
Ah, boom, 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 boom.
Babe.
Oh, shush. Maganda yung araw sa labas, guys. Oh, I thought it's going to be a miserable day today.
Corella.
Sabi, ano lang, maximum 13. Pero sunny siya. Sunny. Did you like your duyan na? Did you like your duyan this morning? Hindi lang maganda yung pagkagawa ng duyan niya kaya ng umaga guys kasi mabilisan ba? Kasi ayaw niyang tumahan. But I'm going to make a good one later today. And we'll see. Para masave ang ating arms. Nak no? Tangtang na kaya itong abaga na. Siklo tulin. Siklo. Well, you know what, guys? You know, they're not babies forever. They're not babies forever, so... Sure. Treasure natin every second. Kahit na iyak. Shush. Beautiful girl. Are you mama's beautiful girl? Are you mama's beautiful girl? Yes, mama.
What would you like to do, Paris? At lunchtime today? Do you want to go to the shop or do you want to play at the park? With Daddy?
Yes, mama.
Gonna go to the shops?
I'm not going to shop and we'll go to the park.
No, I can only do one.
No.
Which one would you like to do?
Shopping.
You want to go to the shop? You want to go to the shop more than you want to go to the park?
Oh, shoes. What was that?
Which one do you like? Do you like? I can only do.
I heard
can
something.
Do one with you. Do you want to go to the park or the shop?
I heard something in the bum bum. There must be something in the water.
No, I do that one.
Inuktok si Inday. Ay, I get your clothes ready na. Ito, hindi pa matapos-tapos to ba?
Rita got bashed on the sofa.
Hello, baby. Baby Doom Doom.
Hello, baby Dong Dong. Gentle Paris.
I just want to touch it like this.
Yeah, I know, but you have to be really gentle with her. There you go.
I just shake her head.
Yeah. No shaking, okay?
Yes, that's kind of
Talk
not.
to baby Celine.
That's me. Hello. Bless you. Why bless me?
Yeah, she sneezed at you. She thinks you're dust. No. It's so good. Hmm? Like a drum. She's gonna have a bath soon enough.
Yes, soon. When I get sunny.
We'll get her to relax first. Yeah, baka masinggit na sa...
Yeah, honey.
Yay!
This one for Nanny.
Bim, bim, bim na.
I thought you said. I said you wanted croissant. You said yes, please.
Go.
Do you want croissant na? Do you also want croissant?
Okay. I'll give my one.
No.
Hello, Tita and Tito. I am now ready for my bath. Shush. Are you ready for your bath? Honey? No. Ang aming Ate Paris at Daddy ay umalis na. Walking sila. So, kami na lang dalawa. Okay. Stop crying. Time check tayo, guys. It's now 4 o'clock ng hapon. And, kakabangon ko lang, guys. Kakabangon. Hindi kasi, pinadidig ko si baby Celine kanina. Tapos, nasa bed kami, kaya nakatulog din ako. And she's still sleeping. Come here, anak. What is wrong? What is wrong? Are you sleepy? Sleepy, you woke up late today. Ginising niya ako, guys, kasi may delivery daw. That's for Daddy, nak. That's not for Mommy. A delivery.
I just want my magic one to be here.
Which one?
I just want the magic one to be here.
Your magic wand. It will be here soon. Just have to be patient, yeah? You know that Daddy ordered it for you, so it will be here soon. Oh, ang sarap ng feeling, guys. Parang na, ako ba na, nakatulog ako kahit ilang lang. Mga half an hour siguro. Nakaidlip ako. It's good. Ang ating baby girl ay, ayun, tulog pa. Nakaano kasi. Yan. Yung light dito, enough pa. Tapos, close yung blind. That's good that she's still sleeping. Guess who's awake? Who's awake? Hello, my little princess. Hello. Good afternoon, my love. Did you have a good nap? Good nap? Ding 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 ding. Hi. Hi. Shush. 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 Good girl. Good girl, Mama. Ay, don't cry, don't cry. Ah, boo, 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 boo. Shush, shush, shush.
I don't know to open to eat it.
It's open now. Isn't it?
No, it don't.
No? Okay, let me rush it. I'm shush, shush, shush. Shush, shush, shush.
Let Mommy just open the candy, please. Please let her.
Talk to her now. Okay, let mommy open the candy. Oh, okay.
Okay.
It's okay. Okay.
I will hold you.
Alas 5:30 na. Sleeping Beauty pa ang ating baby.
Hug you.
Kakatapos lang ni Daddy Mike mag-work, guys, and pupunta kami ng park para dalhin ito.
Pam pam.
Binibihisan ng kanyang tatay. Before dumilim. Pero ito siya. Sobrang sarap ng tulog niya ba? Yan naman na to, girl.
Hey, I'm a fun girl. In the purple world. I'm a doodle.
We're going to the park.
Hey, Mommy.
Look at mommy, be. Huh. Mag-arbularyo. Here's the little one. Like a snug in a bag. Show Daddy. Get the ball now. Careful, nak. Close this. Ang daming tao dyan, oh. Yan. Who put your shoes on, nak? Is it you or Daddy? Was it you or Daddy? Hindi niyo ang kanyang shoes, oh. It's the other way around. Busy kayo sila, guys, oh. Buti na lang open ang park. At least may nagagawa. Lockdown pa rin. Nak, lockdown pa rin. Careful there, nak, ha. There's lots of balls flying. You want Daddy? Yeah, oh, there's lots of titos, oh, flying.
Daddy. I'm Daddy.
Go, Daddy, go. Just be careful.
Ryan, hurry up!
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Boy, hurry up!
I'm
Huh?
Go, Daddy. Really? Gusto ni Paris mag-play sa park, guys. And baby Celine and I, we're going around for a walk. There, oh, ilang laps. Daddy will go with you, anak. Huh? Wait, anak, let Daddy play for a sec, nak. Nawong presyang.
Oh! I touched it! Oh my god! I never touched a basketball before.
Ah, nearly, Daddy. Okay. Daddy, welcome.
On. Ayun, Gana?
Are you gonna leave the bowl there, Bob?
Huh?
You're just gonna leave the bowl there?
Mommy, I'm a grown up to go to the
A big slide? No, that's too big, anak. Tingnan niyo.
It's fun.
Huh?
It's huge. It's very fun, Mommy.
I know, it is fun, honey, but it's still too big.
Mommy, look at the pup.
It's eating. Daddy's there waiting for you.
Are you ready to fly? Yes.
Bob! Daddy! Daddy! I'm gonna walk around. Baka magising ang ating darling.
I just need to be moving.
Did you go? Did you go on the bigger slide?
Yes, it was very fun.
It was very fun, was it?
Yes.
You want to show Mummy?
Oh, it's so good. How did you go?
Okay.
The two of you? That's scary, Bob.
Go to the big circle.
Come on, come watch, Mummy.
I don't think it's safe, Baba. It's very fun daw, sabi ni Parisya.
I'm gonna go to the big circle.
Okay.
Big one.
Daddy, did you put her shoes on? Did you put her shoes on?
Yeah.
The other way around. Let Daddy fix it now. See?
Okay. Now let's go on the big side.
Yeah. Bigger slide. Mommy will see it.
Come on.
Excited na excited siya.
It's cracked.
Have a look at Paris. She's cracking the egg. It's harder, no? Okay. Me? Do it properly. Mura man kayo nag-abri og Pinoy na. Hala. Hala, taka na lang na siya. Oh, what's that, honey? Okay.
The soap.
The salt. It's magic
Magic.
sarap.
Magic syrup.
Done. Just a little bit. A bit more. More than that. A bit more than that. That's enough. Thank you. Can you mix it for Mama? Thank you.
Are you look at the egg?
Do it properly, huh?